When you get to the Union Pacific rail yard, you see a map like this. It tells you the red, the blue, the green and the brown rows and the gray rows. And it tells you where you should not cross. Do not enter crossing in the middle. You cannot enter from these places. And they are very, very strict on that rule. This is Union Pacific. They do not like any screw up because you do not want people to get killed. And here where the trucks enter from one side and leave from the other side. After they get the permission, they know where to go to find the red, the blue, the green, the yellow, and the brown. Whatever the row is, whatever the color is. Just for me to cross the yard on foot, it is not allowed. It's not allowed. You just have to follow the rule. Here is the Intermodal. Here's the guys coming with a loaded or an empty load. That load will be dropped here, will be taken to the train, driven by a truck, then moved from the chassis to the train. The winches are there. That is above the trailer. Those are the lifters that lift the trailer from the chassis, put it on the train. And every trailer have to be dropped here, have to be untied, and the 4 pins are released. And the other way around. When you pick up a trailer from here, you have to do the opposite. You have to lock the pins and tie them. If you look between these two trucks, you can see the yard jockey is bringing the trailer right here from the train, and he is going to drop it at a certain spot. And when you check on the computer, you can find out the location and the status of that trailer. They are very good in providing information tracking. I think he's taking this trailer somewhere else. No, he's going back to put it in the spot. He found the spot. He's going to back it in that spot. And this guy is leaving with his trailer. The reason they call it intermodal is because half of it, the other part is like a train container, and the lower part is a truck container. The chassis is moving on tires, the chassis, while the upper part, the container, is almost steel. Something broke from this guy. Figure out what it is. Something broke. That's what it is. That is something that comes from the tire. Right here. That comes from the tire. The stud goes here, and that locks the tire. Trucks are very dangerous. Trucks are very dangerous. This thing just fell out of the truck while it was making a turn. It came from the tire of the truck. You ask, why do you have intermodals? What is the idea? The idea is that the remote parts of the country where there are no railroads and there is no port, a rail port like this port, where they cannot have the technology or the space, or they don't have enough trailers. So you take the container from the train. This container, what you call a metal container, can be stacked 3 high. You put them on the chassis. The chassis belongs to Union Pacific. And you pull them with a truck. The truck take them on the rural part of the country, in the remote parts of the country, where there are no rails. Here is the chassis. That chassis belongs to Union Pacific. If you look at it, you are going to see the numbers that tell you who owns that chassis. That chassis will be loaded by a trailer